Dear students, let's see the other rule and regulations of subject verb and agreement. Rule number 6. Let's see. If the subject consists of two singular words connected by or neither nor, neither nor, either or, the subject is singular and requires a singular verb. Singular verb, right? Let's see the example. But before writing an example, let's see the definition, my dear students, of rule 6. If the subject consists of two singular words, it means the subject consists of two singular words. It means there is not any plural words is applied. Okay, like either or, neither nor, then the subject is singular and that requires a singular verb. As I have already told you in our previous class that if a subject is singular, the applied verb will be singular. If the subject is plural, then the same applied verb will be plural. Okay. If you have missed my that class, you can move to my previous video and just search rule number 1. Okay. Let's see the example for this one. Suman or Neetu has the key. Suman or Neetu has the key. In this sentence, dear children, both the subject Suman or Neetu is applied with the singular subject. Okay, and that's why the applicable verb has is also singular, right? Let's see the other example. Neither our accounts department nor our head office has a record of the examination. Okay. Dear children, you can see in this example that neither our accounts department nor our head office has a record of this examination. In this example, dear children, both the account department or the head office has a singular subject, and that's why the applied verb has is also singular. Okay. Let's see other rule. It will be rule number 7. Let's see. Nouns that are plural, nouns that are plural in form but singular in meaning such as news, physics, electronics, economics, and so on. Usually take singular verbs. Singular verbs. Let's see the example. Physics, has fascinated my hostel mate for months. Right? You can also take the other example. News is traveling faster than ever before. Okay. Nouns that are plural in form but singular in meaning. You need to concentrate over here. So let's see the example. In the first example, the noun is physics, right? Which is in a plural form but its meanings is singular. In the next example, you can also see news. News is in a plural form but it gives the meaning singular. Okay, so that's why you can see the singular verb is applied over here. Let's see the other rule, which is rule number 8. Dear children, plural verbs are plural verbs are required for many nouns that have no singular forms. Singular forms such as proceeds, goods, asses, remains, premises, credentials, etc. Right? Let's see. Plural verbs are required for many nouns that have no singular form. Right? Let's see the example. The goods are being dispatched today by goods train. Right? The goods are being dispatched today by goods train. I think most of the students has seen goods train, right? Let's see the other rule, which is rule number 9. And I have already told you that for some of the exceptions we will discuss later. Okay. Dear children, when the group acts as a unit, the verb should be singular. Okay, it means when the group acts as a unit, group may be for something, maybe the group of friends, maybe the group of players. Let's see the example. The committee has agreed to submit its report on Friday. Right? Let's see the other example, my dear students. The board of directors meets once in a month. Okay, it means, my dear students, in both the examples you can see, in the first example the subject was committee, in the other example the subject is board of directors. Both seems as a group of people that performs as a single unit. Okay, that's why the verb applies in both of the sentences is similar, right? My dear children, let's see the other rules, which will be rule number 10. Rule number 10. Okay, let's see. Dear children, when the members of the group are thought of as acting separately, the verb should be plural. Should be plural. Okay. Let's see the example, and after that I will elaborate it once again for you. Okay, don't worry. The teams are arguing. The teams are arguing over who should be the captain. Right? Dear children, over here, one thing that you need to know, that in this example, individual members in the team are arguing. Okay, and that's why you can see the teams are arguing, right? Because the subject is plural over here. Let's see the other example. We can use other example to understand this in a very fluent way. Okay. The audience were cheering and laughing. Okay, dear children, with the help of these two examples, you can learn this rule number 10, that when the members of the group are thought of as acting separately, it means there is a members of group but they are performing any task as a singular, like the teams are arguing. It means definitely some of the members of the teams are arguing over there. Okay, that's why you can see, as the subject is plural, the applicable verb is also plural over here, right?